Page 24, Greensleeves. This is pages 24 and 25. We have treble and bass clef, 3/4 time, and a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 3. Quarter notes, half notes, dotted half notes, I'm guessing. We can do all that. We've got a few accidentals. We're using a few black keys here. I'm going to kind of take it both hands together because for the most part it's only one hand or the other playing, and this shortens the video a little bit. So you're starting out with left hand on second finger A here, and then a right hand starts on thumb on middle C here. So we're in this position, and it's 3-1, 3-1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you have a G sharp, so I'm going to take my second finger's on G. I'm going to use that on this G sharp. 1, 2, 1, 2, like so. Go over to measure 13. You're here. Now you have a G sharp and an F sharp, 4, 2, and you have an A, and this is measure 16. You have an A, a C, and an E together. And then the right hand goes with a C and a G. 1, 2, 3, 1, and an F sharp here. Use fourth finger. 1, 2. You get the idea? Those are the trickiest parts. If you can get that, and then go through and get rid of the hesitation, so it's a steady beat. Keep it slow is fine, but no hesitations. And we can think about the articulation. And then we put in the phrasing. To have it marked for you, just lifting up between the phrases, otherwise you're connecting it. Lift up. It's like taking a breath. So do that between the phrasing. Dynamics, MP, mezzo piano, sort of soft. Then you have the hairpins. See those hairpins there? You look in the middle of them and see what note or notes are there, and those are your targets. So I'm going to go up. It doesn't say how loud to get. Go up about a moderately loud. Don't get loud yet. But I'm going to go up to the F here and then come down. You see the hairpins are not always put exactly where they go. You have to kind of adjust it to the music. You feel it. You're just going to go up and back down. You're going to swell up and swell down. The music does it. Swell up with the music. And you see on measure 7, the little hairpin there, you're ending a phrase. You're coming down at the end of a phrase. You don't even need that hairpin. You would feel that. But then when you pick up to measure 9, it needs to be the same as the beginning. So you need to be at mezzo piano here. So you're coming down just to end the phrase. Come down to soft. Come down and then start up again. Another swell. Now measure 17, you go up to moderately loud. And till measure 25, come down to moderately soft. Like you were. And then the last two measures, when you play that next to the last measure, moderately soft, it dies away on its own. So just listen to that and then match it if you can in the last one. And if possible, we want to hear the melody at the last two measures. That's the A's. So when you play this, I can play that. Play it really soft. Really soft. They give you a P there, but that's to the melody. So this has to be really soft. As far as the speed goes, gently moving, isn't that nice? Not too fast, but don't drag it either. phrasing in what they've done here for measures 20 and 21. According to them and according to the words, you're sort of finishing a sentence here on measure 20, joy, and then starting in. Here, in my mind, that's not a, this all should belong together. To me, that's all one phrase. Yeah, so I would not break a lift up between measure 20 and 21. I would connect that. There. Let's play it together slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms and all. Not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3. Ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, off. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. We're going to go a little faster, and again, I need you to go up an octave now. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is up here, and you're going to, instead of here, you're here. Here. Oh, by the way, don't forget the natural accents. They're important. The 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. We want to feel that. It should be clear to the listener that you came in on a pickup beat. You didn't come in on beat 1. So it's to here. Now the teacher part on this has some dotted half notes in it, and I need to keep the beat. So I'm going to play quarter notes or something in there. Ready, go.